Giggle Moments.
Hello learners, welcome to Giggle Moments. Today we are going to learn about vowels. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U. But do you know why they are called vowels? Because these letters make more than one sound, short sounds and long sounds. Let's see the short sounds first through some examples. A makes the sound A. A. A as in apple. Ant. E makes the sound E. E. E as in egg. Elephant. I makes the sound E. E. E as in ink. Insect. O makes the sound O. O. O as in orange. Otter. U makes the sound A. A as in umbrella. Under. Now, let's learn the short vowel sounds through a song. A, E, O, E. A, E, O, E. A, E, O, E are 5 short vowel sounds. Now, your turn to sing along with me. A, E, O, E. A, E, O, E. A, E, O, E are 5 short vowel sounds. That was awesome! Now, let's see the long vowel sounds. In a long vowel sound, the letter usually says its own name. A makes the sound A, as in ape, apron, angel. E makes the sound E, as in eagle, eat, easel. I makes the sound I, as in ice, iron, ivy. O makes the sound O, as in oval, old, open. U makes the sound U, as in utensils, unicorn, uniform. Now, let's learn the long vowel sounds through a song. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are 5 long vowel sounds. Now, your turn to sing along with me. Ready? Let's start. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are 5 long vowel sounds. You were great! Now, it's time to play a fun game. I will say a word and you have to tell me the vowel sound, long or short. Ready? And umbrella, apron, egg, insect, under, old. Excellent learners! That was so much fun! If you enjoyed watching the video and learned something new, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button and come back next time for more fun learning. Thanks for watching.